Is this the best duffel bag for travel? Let's have a look at what it can hold and some of the key features that made it the right choice for me. Okay, let's talk about the main features of the bag while we put all this stuff back in. This is the Mammut Cargon 60 litre duffel in colour black fire, or as you can see, black and red. It's designed for adventure with many robust and well thought out features that we'll look at in a moment. This particular bag has a volume of approximately 60 litres. It also comes in a variety of colours and volumes, including 40, 90, 110 and a massive 140 litres. The large top flap hosts two mesh pockets on its underside, both with zips and one with a short strap for keys. There's only one main area inside and a large end pocket with zip for easy access. The key feature that I liked in this bag is the backpack straps that also have a carry-all handle feature. It is truly a soft, lightweight and robust bag. And while it doesn't have wheels, the backpack straps are very useful, and there are two compression straps to help stabilise the contents. I hope this was informative. If you like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up and subscribe below and share. Happy travels!